What's up, everybody? Excuse the loud noise. This guy's blowing air at me. Back again at Rev Hard Garage. Sitting there, just had to remove all the old lines. Then these 5/8 lines right here off this spigot. And remove the old heat exchanger. It's the bigger one. 3/4 ends right here. Brand new pump, EWP 150 pump. Some fittings I got from Summit. Dash 16, 1 inch. By Fergola. Got some hyper cool coolant. Old expansion tank, the little small one. But we're replacing that. That's the old pump. That's the small pump, the Bosch pump. But what's replacing that tank, that small expansion tank? What did you do?
I'm just waiting on you to finish.
Oh, you're waiting.
I don't want
He's
to
waiting.
Vid you. With the grinder links, all right.
But we got this ash tank. My buddy Nick Wills hooked me up with. Shout out to him. DSP, Shay, my boy Tony Swan, Brandon Barlow, Kevin Hansen, my girlfriend Whitney. Love you, girl. Even though I already said Brandon Barlow, but we're gonna represent Rev Hard Garage to the fullest, though.
That's where we at.
That's where we at, baby. We at Rev Hard Garage.
Literally a garage.
It,
Damn sure.
I ain't revving yet, though.
No, but we will be.
Okay, okay.
We got stuff that revs out here. I mean, we got the Pro Charge Trailblazer. We got the
Look at that.
540 horsepower Camaro sitting over there. You know what I'm saying?
540.
Got the
Gen 5, 540.
Got the little ladies Saab 97 over here. Got the Saab wagon. It revs pretty hard, but not right now. Computer went out. I gotta get another computer for it, but that's my baby right there. You know.
How can you do that?
Stuff.
You know how much I love that car.
Stuff happens, man.
Give it too much boost.
Look at the Dirty Max down there.
Got a Dirty Max and right,
classic front end, man.
right behind the bushes, the old Power Stroke.
You got a powder stroke back there?
The
We got a powder stroke and a Dirty Max.
She up on jack stands. All four.
Look, man, everything around here revs hard. My lawnmower got the turbo on it. You know, we got.
Look at that.
We got the power wheels on 24 volts. You know, with drift motors in it. I mean, look, we got an LS swap sitting here, and it's revving hard, and it's not even moving. It's just sitting there revving hard. You know what I mean? Like, I don't even know what I'm gonna do with it.
Not
I
yet.
guarantee you, whatever it goes in, it's gonna rev hard.
Okay.
So
We're gonna make it do what it do.
yeah.
All right.
Even the damn trailer revs hard. I'm just saying.
We gotta repaint this sometime.
Well, yeah, I ordered paint, or we're gonna go get some paint for it.
Nice.
I did the wheels though. Look at the wheels.
Look at the wheels.
Try not to look at my scrap pile right here.
Look at the wheels.
Painted the wheels black. Got
Man,
me
where'd
some-
you get these wheels from?
They were on it. I put the
Those
hubcaps
was on it. They look like some damn Mitsubishi Galant wheels.
No, I ordered those hubcaps.
Really?
They look way better than the wheels did.
Hmm.
Look,
I dig
see?
it. I dig it.
Garage is revving hard.
Get a close up on that. Bam! That's where we at, Rev Hard Garage, ladies and gents.
If we rev hard or we go home.
Oh yeah.
And literally, it's just the doors right there, and we can just go home. Just,
Well, we're gonna go home.
We're
We're
gonna
gonna
rev,
go home.
We rev hard, and then we go home. Or if we can't rev hard for some reason, we just go home. You know what I mean? Like, rev hard or go
Or
home.
go home.
Yeah.
Well, ladies and gentlemen, you heard it from the guy himself. You either rev hard or just go home. Ain't no other way to do it.
I got you some special effects in there.
Did you?
Yeah.
Nice.
See this? Did you see the smoke drifting by your face?
Oh, I can't. You can't miss that.
Yeah.
Well, that's a smaller heat exchanger.
Oh, did you show him?
It's very
Did
nice.
you show him the Liftgate 9000 protector?
The Liftgate 9000.
Yeah.
This is the Liftgate 9000 right here.
It always keeps the lift gates from hitting the garage door, you know.
Yeah, getting scratched up and all that other good stuff.
No, we can't have that.
All right, guys, we gotta get back to it. To be continued.